Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Now this month is Child's Month, so why not do yoga for children? Adults can do this too. And every first Sunday of every month we do the pose of the month. And today's pose, we are going to be doing lion breath pose. Now lion breath pose, it helps with anxiety, nervousness, and it really helps and stimulates the mind. And I invite you just to get silly with it. Have fun and enjoy yourself. All right, grab the kid, grab a yoga mat. If you don't have a kid, that's fine. You can still do this pose regardless. There is no judgment. This is yoga. All right, let's get in position and let's get started. So we're gonna get on our knees, okay? And then you're gonna have your arms like this, kind of like how we do in tabletop. And then when you're gonna breathe in, and then when you breathe out, you're gonna have your mouth open and have your tongue sticking out. This is the only time, kids, that you can have your tongue sticking out and not being sassy. So breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And then really you can get into the pose if you want. Meow. Yeah. And just have fun with it. Be silly. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check in with us next week to see how we incorporate this pose into our yoga practice. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Namaste. Bye for now.